Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are not new to my channel and you have not liked, commented, or subscribed, help me out. What am I doing wrong? Why are you not giving me a gem? It's free. Click it. So, anywho, this is going to be a little unboxing. Um, all of the things that are in this video are from Temu. Some of them do have to do with, well, majority of them have to do with nails. Some of them, like this tissue holder, does not have, or these tissue refills do not have to do with nails. I just thought that they was cute. And if you have like a little tissue holder in your room, but it's not quite big enough for the regular size, like Kleenex and whatever's, you can definitely get those tissues. They're pretty solid. That is a um, nail a sanitizer holder is what I'm going to call it, disinfectant area little thing. You put your you mix your disinfectant, put it in there, put your drill bits and any other small items in the top after you clean them off. Let them sit for 10 minutes, rinse them off, and you are good to go. On that, I did get that for my desk. These are cuticle bits, my favorite type of cuticle bits, since I found out about them a couple years ago. I have been seeing a whole bunch of people get the mini mandrels. So I figure, you know what, let me give it a try. So I got one and I got some refills. I believe that it came with the refills. And I have links to all these things in the description. I was really working on the this unboxing is kind of old, so a lot of my stuff is going to be snowflakes. And of course, I did not do one winter look, or I only did one winter look, and I didn't use any of the snowflakes. Very upsetting. But don't worry, winter comes the same time every year. So, there's always the chance for me to use them. I got a lot of drill bits in this one. I'm not gonna hold you. I needed to re-up, and I do need to re-up on a different kind of drill bit, but I got a lot of cuticle ones this time. Those, y'all remember those makeup brushes? I got that for my nails, but let me tell you, babes, it's not really good. Luckily for me, it was only like $1 and some change, but y'all, y'all can definitely save y'all money on that. I put the poly gel to the side because I had a couple more of them coming in, I think the following day. So I didn't want to, I wanted to unbox them with those or use them with those. So I wasn't going to show y'all what they was. But like I said, I had a whole bunch of snowflakes and I was so excited to use them and then did not even use them. Annoying. That's me. Annoying. decided on some stickers. I was watching, I can't remember who on Instagram, and they did like a China set or Japanese set. I don't know, it gives you that Asian aesthetic. And on her nails, that's what she did. So I was like, you know what, I know that I can't do all the line work because I'm blind as a bat and I refuse to strain my eyes even more than what I already have, but some stickers might work. So I got them. Did I do a set? Not at all. These little things are spinners. You glue them down to your nail, you glue the charm on top, and then you can like spin it. A lot of people were doing that a while ago, and of course I missed that train, but I figured it never goes out in style, right? These are just some rings that I got because I really do love rings, and I really wanted some stackable rings. Baby, the shine on these rings, like, and it got some weight to it. You would never thought, like, you would probably have thought that I got them from like maybe Walmart or Target before I spent $2 on Temu. Like, babe, I love these rings. Like, oh my gosh, my favorite rings. I love them. And that's all for this video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.